Hello, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to get started with Comak for the first time. So to begin with, you want to go to app.jib.ai/Comak and you want to sign up and create your account. You can do this by continuing with Google, WebEx account, or sign up with an email address and password. I'm going to select continue with Google and select one of my accounts. Now that you're inside the Comak UI, it's a very straightforward process. I would recommend using one of the sample images that we have on the early access guide if you don't already have a photo of some of your own whiteboard or paper content where you've drawn a flowchart, for example, like one of these. I'm just going to use this example and drag and drop it into the Comak upload window there. Once Comak has analyzed the content, it'll give you the option to generate your diagram or even generate a smart summary, but I'm going to start by generating the editable diagram. This process can take up to 2 minutes, so I'm just going to let it load and then I'll show you what to do next. Great, now that Comak has generated my diagram, I can give it a rating. So by the looks of it, it's accurately recreated my diagram, and the next step is if you want to send this to Lucidchart to continue editing, you need to click on Send Diagram To and then select Lucidchart. Being the first time you've used Comak, you will need to connect to your Lucid account so that Comak has access to send your diagram. So I've already logged into my Lucid account. You may be prompted to log in and then grant access, but it's as simple as that. Now that my Lucid account has been connected, I'm able to automatically export to Lucidchart. So once I click on export, this will send my diagram to Lucidchart. So now that's successful. Now that my diagram has been sent to Lucid, you'll see that I've already got a Lucid tab open. I'm already logged in, and now I can just navigate to my documents. And as you can see, the Comak file has already been added, and I can simply open it and start editing. So I can automatically edit text, I can move the connectors if there was any minor mistakes, but as you see, I can now share this with the rest of my team and come back and edit at any time. Now going back to Comak, I can also click on Generate Smart Summary. So it's going to write a summary of the content here and try to understand what it's about, so that now I also have a written description of what I've drawn. And now this can be, just wait for that to finish writing. So there we go. I can copy and paste this text into a document or in a message or any other place I like. Or now that I've got both my visual diagram as well as the summary, I can now export it to a PDF file, which I can open there and select, and you'll see it's got the written summary as well as a copy of my digital diagram. Now that you know how Comak works, you're free to start using it and try and upload your own photos and generating your own diagrams and summaries. Thank you for watching.